Merry Christmas, everybody. So, here's a stocking stuffer that I got. I didn't have a video ready for today, and today is Friday, so I decided this would make a good one. Just show my new survival kit that I got. Let's see what's in it. Comes in a nice little hard shell case. That's a good thing. Might put that under the seat of the Jeep or something. Okay, so what's it got in it? It's got a tactical emergency blanket, tactical flashlight carrier thing, I guess. Slips on your belt or whatever. A tactical paracord bracelet with built-in compass. A tactical LED flashlight. A tactical spork. With knife. A tactical pen, and it's got a glass breaker or something on this end of it. That's pretty nice. That's aluminum. Tactical pocket knife, also with a glass breaker, and a seatbelt cutter. A tactical ferrocerium fire starter. Tactical wire saw. Tactical fishing kit. And a tactical survival card thing. Well, that's pretty cool. Multi-purpose pocket survival tool. Okay. And last but not least, a tactical antenna. That's what I'll use it for anyway. Looks just about the right length to a little bit long for 2 meters actually, but you can shorten it to the proper length for 2 meters. Let's see, what's that good for? That's for, yeah, you can use that to direct a stream of air onto your glowing embers to make them burst into flames. That's one thing you could use it for, aside from using it as an antenna. Let me see. Tells you not to cut yourself when you're opening the spork. Let's see. Tactical pen, water bottle clip. Oh, that's what that thing is. Not a flashlight clip, that's a water bottle clip. Multi-use spork, survival bracelet, wire saw, tactical knife, fire starter, flashlight, saber card, pocket bellow. Yeah, that's what that's for. Like I said, directing a stream of air, blah blah blah, but also makes a good antenna. Waterproof case, emergency blanket, and there you go. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Merry Christmas, everybody.